Hi, and welcome back to the Art Fun Shops. I'm Cory, the cartoonist, and I'm going to hopefully dazzle you with some neat things to do in art. I have a lot of games too, so if you've been practicing drawing different characters, this is the time that I could show you some fun games to do. It's a game I love, and if I can bring any other types of subjects from school into art, I love it even more. So there's a game I like to play called the Noun Game. And the noun is a person, place, or a thing. Now, there's several ways of playing this game. And what I've done here on this piece of paper is I have written down about 6 or 7 people, places, and things. They're all random. I just started thinking of like a person. How about my uncle? That could be a person. A place, Africa, and a thing, toothbrush. Anything simple like that. Now, one of the first games you could do is pick those 3 things and try to draw them. Try to draw your favorite uncle. Try to draw a place maybe in Africa with elephants and lions and tigers and all those fun things. And then maybe try to draw your toothbrush. So after drawing that, if you want to snazz it up a little bit, do this. Okay, so we have our columns. The object of this game is we're going to try to draw a picture using 3 of these. So I'm just going to go, let's see, let's take superhero since he's the first one. Now, I think a funny picture would be a superhero at the North Pole with car keys. So maybe you could draw a picture of Wonder Woman losing her keys to her invisible jet, and she's stuck at the North Pole with Santa. Now, you could go straight across for each one of these. Draw a reporter at Disneyland's. There's a bowling ball in the picture somehow. But what makes this kind of fun is when you crisscross them a little bit. So let's do this. I'm going to draw a superhero in the bathroom, and maybe with an umbrella. So you can mix them up too, you know, like a Navy SEAL in Russia with a pogo stick, or it could be Navy SEAL at summer camp with a whoopee cushion. And I've tried to put some funny thing since it is cartooning. Now the object of the game is simply to draw all 3 of those into one picture. If you want to use words to make it into a comic, you can. If you just want to simply keep it simple without any words, that's good too, because there's a lot of funny stuff that you can do. I'm going to draw a superhero. Now I might draw this kind of fast, and I just want you to kind of see what there he is. Debonair. I'm going to draw a superhero. Got to get those lamb chop sideburns in here. Give him his smile. Da, 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 da. Okay, and if you remember from some of the other art fun shops, I love drawing cartoons with different shapes and squiggles. All right, so he is, let's see, in the bathroom. And an umbrella. I want to keep that. So let's draw an umbrella. Great way to start an umbrella was with the letter J. And here's a fun thing. Look, they look like letter M's, cursive M's. My umbrella. All right, so he's in the bathtub. Maybe I'll give him a bar of soap. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Oh, he's in the bubble bath. That looks like a boat. This is the old-fashioned. And we'll even have his superhero boots sticking out a little bit there. So there is the superhero, who's my person, in the bathroom. I put him right into the tub. Maybe I'll even put something up here to make it look more like a tub. There's the shower. Make some bubbles coming out there a little bit. And he's got an umbrella. And then I sign my name and let you try to come up with your own. And you could come up with tons of them just by picking any person, place, or thing. Have fun. Mahalo.